with drier conditions returning. A cold front and associated moisture will approach from the west next Tuesday. This is the NOAA weather. Station KGSP 81's public warning system. During potentially receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If the pandemic threat the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and remarks will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for and warning. For station KGSP 81, broadcasting near Clayton, Georgia, on a frequency of 162.45 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in northeast Georgia: Banks, Habersham, Hall, Raven, Townsend, White. In North Carolina, Macon, and in South Carolina, Oconee. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. This is the NOAA Weather Radio.
In St. Simon's Island, it was sunny, 57 degrees, wind northeast at 8 miles an hour. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the Atlanta list.
The current time is 11:32 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The following reports of weather temperature and were made at 11 a.m. Gainesville, it was sunny. The weather warning system from Atlanta. KGSP 5 miles an hour. Pressure was 30.37 inches rising. Relative humidity 75%. Wind calm. Pressure was 30.33 inches and rising. Greater distances from the transmitter will occur even if you are in perfect working order. Noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter will be possible. The warning alarm will only be collected once it returns. This area includes the following blankets watches within a 1-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following Forsyth,
In Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal
normally more noticeable at greater distances. In perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will transmitter, Union and White in Georgia and Clay County, North Carolina. This includes the following Georgia counties under the Blue Ridge transmitter: Fannin and Gilmer in Georgia and Cherokee County in North Carolina and Polk County in Tennessee. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.